Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating tight, even rows. Make the first horizontal part about 1/2 to 3/4 from the nape. Once done, secure the top hair away so you have a clean working band. Attach the first weft at the center, pressing clips or closing the bead firmly so it sits flat. This prevents tugging. You do this now because an anchored center guides symmetrical placement, and a single secure weft makes the next steps faster and cleaner. You continue upward, placing each subsequent weft in parallel rows roughly 1/2 apart so the weight distributes evenly. Make sure to overlap ends a bit and keep tension consistent. Uneven pull creates visible bulges. As you go, comb through and check the fall. If it flares, trim small amounts and texturize the join. You do this because blending is both structural and visual. Precise placement and light cutting are what make extensions look like real hair rather than an add-on. You finish by styling with low heat, using large sections to create a unified wave or smoothness so the bonds disappear. Then, run your fingers along the scalp. If anything feels tight, loosen that weft or reopen a bead for comfort. Make sure to test movement. If gaps show when you move, add a small single weft or shift one about 1/4 of an inch to blend. This final check prevents slippage and keeps the result natural and durable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.